What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Your boy JP here to make your install life a little bit easier. Today we got 2006 Volkswagen GTI, and I'm gonna show you how to remove your factory radio. If these are the type of things that you're interested in, then please consider subscribing or following, because that's what we do here at this channel. Anything car audio or install related, that is what the channel is about. First thing we want to do is remove this top grill. We want to be extremely careful. Now, I don't want to actually pry up with this metal piece right here, but I am going to use it because it is a flat profile to get up under that piece. And then, now that I have my fingers up under it, I'm gonna pop that part off like that. And don't worry about it, this piece does pops off, it will go right back on. It did not break. Once we do that, there is a T20 screw that needs to come out. Then we can remove this whole little tray. After that, we have two more T20s that need to come out. Then you want to use your panel removal tool to pop that piece up. And we don't have to fully remove it. We can literally just slide it out the way because we need to get to these 220 torques right here. Now that we have those out, we can go ahead and start removing this whole trim. Now notice when we pull right here, there is some tension right here. Since there's tension, we know that there might be a clip. I'm going to use our panel removal tool so we don't damage anything. And now we have that piece off. All these little clips had to come out. And lastly, we have 4 more T20s. Once we take those out, we should have that radio. That harness has something that you have to, so with this harness you have to move this like this in order for you to pull it out. Then we're left with the antennas. And there you have it. If you guys found any value in the video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. Till next time, it's your boy JP signing out. Telling y'all to keep going, keep growing, and have a blessed day. Peace.